Well, dear participants, you are welcome to this presentation titled The Impact of the LS Factor Estimation Methods on Mean Annual Soil Loss, presented by Christopher Ucheze on 4th December 2023 at the Scientific and Technical Research Association Conference, Kuala Lumpur 2023. The outline, introduction, methods, results, and conclusion. Soil erosion is a major cause of agro soil heritage degradation, according to Besekira and Bohata 2022. It is one of the most severe problems the world is facing nowadays, according to Ezeh et al. 2020. Accelerated soil erosion by water is a global problem that can lead to food insecurity, and therefore, reliable modeling of erosion is essential to a successful management of the menace. Methods applied. RS model was integrated into GIS to estimate soil loss in Anambra, where RSLA model is a product of RK, LS, C, and P, where R is the rainfall erosivity that assesses the aggressiveness of rainfall. K is soil erodibility that accounts for the soil's ability to resist dislodgement. LS is the topographic component that comprises the slope length and slope steepness. C is the vegetation cover component, while P is the conservation practice factor. Three methods of estimating the LS factor considered were the Wishmeyer and Smith 1978, Moore and Bosch 1986, and Deshman and Govers 1996. While the Wishmeyer Smith is based on slope in percent, Moore and Bosch was based on slope in radian, while Deshman and Govers was based in degrees. Results of the LS factors shows that the Wishmeyer and Smith method varied from 0.65 to 71.78 with a mean of 1.20. The Moore and Bosch method varied from 5.13 to 42.49 with a mean of 1.34, while the Desma and Govers method varied from 0.03 to 16.38 with a mean of 0.71. The area has a high rainfall erosivity with a mean of 1,599.76 megajoule millimeter per hectare per hour per year, while the soil erodibility has a mean of 0.03 tons hectare hour per megajoule per millimeter. The C factor had a mean of 0.33. The P factor was set to unity as there is no data on conservation practice in the states. The mean annual soil loss from the three different LS estimation methods were using the Wishmeyer and Smith method. It was obtained 25.25 tons per hectare per year, which had a percentage bias of minus 9.04%. The Moore and Bosch method had 28.54 tons per hectare per year with a percentage bias of 2.81%, while the Desma Govers method produced 14.87 tons per hectare per year with a percentage bias of 46.43%. Result from the field shows 27.76 tons per hectare per year. When tested for significant difference between the Wishmeyer method and Moore and Bosch methods, it shows that there was no significant difference between the two as there was insufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis. The spatial distribution of the results shows that the soil loss estimated with Desma and Govers, it shows that the central and southern parts had more soil erosion. The same thing using Moore and Bosch and using Wishmeyer and Smith. However, the severity of the soil erosion was not highlighted adequately by the Deshman and Govers, unlike the Moore and Bosch and the Wishmeyer and Smith. In conclusion, The Wishman and Moore and Bosch methods of estimating the LS factor are better for modeling soil erosion in Anambra State. Shows that erosion is high in the area, especially in the south and central parts. There is need for massive and adequate sustainable intervention to soil erosion management in the area. Similar results should be extended to other moderate slope regions. Thank you for listening.